Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Nioh 3 game crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, stuck on black screen or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. The first solution is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PlayStation and then check problem solved or not. Solution 2 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to others and go to restore license, select Nioh 3 game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 3 is to log out and log in. Log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back. And then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then if you have another secondary account, then log in with that and check if that works or not. Solution 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works for you. Solution 5 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check problem fixed or not. If not, then turn on the enable HDCP and then check. Solution 6 is to change console language. So open your PS5 settings and navigate to system. Go to the language section, then select your current language. Then try changing it to English or any other language to see if this helps or not. Solution 7 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Now press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Now use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch the Nioh 3 and check if the problem is solved or not. Solution 8 is to delete the game data and caching. Now please take a note, you must back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to the settings, save data and game/app settings, select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage delete. Select Nioh 3 and then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Solution 9 is to change the DNS server. So open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, set up internet connection, select your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Select do not specify for the DHCP hostname. In the DNS settings, choose manual and enter the primary DNS as 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4. For the proxy server, choose do not use and save it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and launch the game and check. Solution 10 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So simply uninstall and then reinstall the Nioh 3 game on your PS5 and then check. If that doesn't work, then if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Nioh 3 game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and check if that helps or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve a Nioh 3 game crashing, crashes startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.